So here's ChatBCC app group chats with an audience. You can just see how it looks like. Coolest conversation in the world are happening in group chats. Now you can be on the inside. Hop into group chat of your favorite athletes, reality stars, podcasters, political analysts, comedians, investors, newsmakers, maybe even your friends if they want that. Laugh, learn new scenes, catch breaking news, hear different points of view, get away from all the yelling at the internet, and enjoy the magic of interesting people. Only the host can post message in their group chat. Everyone can else join in with comments. Follow your favorite group chats: sports, reality TV, podcasts, tech, comedy, politics, real estate, science, college life. You can just see that, and you can just open it up, and then you have this app in here. So this is how it looks like. You just have basically all the chats. I don't know, if you just tap on this chat, you can see the host chat, then you have member chat, then you can just follow it. Just super easy. You can then just enable notifications, and there is just a lot of group chats for different topics, and you can also invite friends. I don't know what, so do you get some kind of points for that? So there is some invite code which you can use. It's quite interesting. You can use that. Then there is your profile you can use. Then there are settings. That's basically it. So just so many group chats, kind of like Slack channels, but for every topic. You can also then create a chat, invite other hosts to join. Only host can send messages in the group chat. Everyone else can leave reactions, comment messages, and respond to Q&A and polls. So that's the idea of the app. Quite fun. So try it out.